everybody, it's IrieDiva. Welcome to my very first video log. Yay! Of course, it's about Sex and the City 2. Why not? Everybody has their opinion about the movie, but I really just want to talk about the fashion. Now, we knew the fashion was going to be over the top. Let's just get over that. I mean, Carrie is in a turban, and Samantha is wearing Aladdin pants that are nice and gold. Yeah, in the summer, no less. But these are some sensible pieces that I really liked. White dresses in the summer is a no-brainer. You look cool, you are cool. Of course, just don't get it dirty. That's not a good look. But yeah, this one that Carrie has on, I really love it. It's so fun and so flirty, but so... oh my gosh, I love this dress. It reminds me of a Roland Mouret or a Victoria Beckham. It's structured, but it's still so flirty and so sexy. Love it. This one is a Roland Mouret, and I love this color. Is this plum? I really love it. I wish I could afford the real thing. This is Charlotte in the kitchen with a 2-year-old in vintage. We know this don't end well. Yeah, it ended in drinks. Moving right along. Samantha is rocking this spiky shoulder. I guess that's going nowhere. I really have no intention of picking that one up, but yeah. Carrie is in a top, jeans, and a skirt. Too much, girl. Too much. Again, too much. It's the summertime. But those heels, yeah, you're gonna want to pay attention to those heels. I loved them. This movie had a lot of color in it. That much I really liked. The color was very vibrant. This pink dress, I want to make me a copy. I think I can make it. And those heels, I want a close-up. I'm not quite sure if I love them, but I think I do. This color I do love. Actually, I love everything about this outfit. I love the dress, I love the belt. I even love the shoes, even though they're so common among the celebrities. This dress, there's nothing to not love about it. The color is fabulous, and this turquoise is even more gorgeous. And we know Beyonce would love those earrings, those huge earrings. This is such a gorgeous shot of Miranda, isn't it? I just had to include it. Charlotte in pink, what's not to love? I think that must be Charlotte's favorite color if she had one. Speaking of pink, this Dior outfit that she has on, it costs over 10 grand, and I'm not talking yet about the shoes. I'm just talking about the dress and the bag. Okay, but yeah, the movie itself, it was fun. The outfits were even funner. I really enjoyed myself. Lighten up. It's Sex and the City. Hello.